Jumped off there. Whoa.
Okay,
so I'm about to jump. How many meters is this? 111. 111 meters.
okay, so around your legs there you have turbo spring strap onto you. These towels will be fastened down to you. That's a bit of adjustment here.
Alright.
Alright, go. Turn around to your left. Let's go forward to the edge.
Let's be around, Juliana.
Okay. Alright, Ariana.
All good.
You are 100%.
Whoa, wait.
Yeah.
I can't go forward.
You're doing fantastic.
Why not?
I go
Why
forward?
can't you go?
Wait.
Keep on.
Wait. Am I connected?
You are.
Where? No.
Yes.
Oh, a little more.
Good. Wait there.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Become a bit strong. Camera has to fix you like this. Hold it nice and tight. Okay.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
A little more.
Good. Wait there.
No.
Yes.
Your arms out.
Put your arms
Ariana.
out. Liana, we put you here.
Ariana.
Okay, wait.
Remember, like I said to you, look up straight. Keep your arms out strong. Camera has to face you like this. Hold it nice and tight. Okay.
Wait.
Then strong and firm.
Strong and firm.
You need to
Wait.
lock. Okay. That will help you do the right thing. Okay, from here, dive out with your firm hands, head down first, as far as you can.
But
Okay.
how do I dive so far out?
Lean forward and jump hard.
Lean forward.
And
Yeah.
jump head first down.
Okay, 5,
Wait.
4, 3.
Just a few more seconds.
No, we are standing on the
When you're standing on the edge, you don't have to stand on the edge for so long. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Me. Shit! Fuck me! I can't feel my arms anymore. I don't feel well. Please.
Hold this on here.
Where do I hold?
Yeah.
Do I hold here? Okay, so that was great fun. I don't know how I survived that. Did I do all right?
Yeah, was that scream for joy or for fear?
For my f***ing life, thought I was gonna die!
Yan, where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Okay.
So this was my view. Don't know whether I fully enjoyed the view when I was jumping down.
I guess so, you enjoyed.
Holding on to my life. Just
Stand on your feet.
no words to describe it. I can't feel my arms.
Acha?
My hands are
Just
shaking that much.
Shaking like a leaf.
Can't believe I did it.
Well done.
All the way down there. I did it!
4, 3.
Wait.
You're standing on the edge. You don't have to stand on the edge for so long. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.